Would you like to learn how to go from this to this, or even this, by using these products? Find out how on Let's Talk Tech today. Hi, Mike here. Thanks for joining today. I'm going to show you how to pair a MiBoxer Zigbee LED controller with an LED light strip and an ordinary 12-volt power supply with a Hubitat controller. Let me start off by showing the three products that I like to use, which are all relatively inexpensive and easy to set up. The first item is an LED light strip. I prefer to use ones by LEDENET. These are 12-volt strips that are 5 meters long and can be shortened using a pair of scissors to customize your project. What I like best about these strips is they offer them with an IP65 silicone coating and have one LED to produce colors, along with two separate LEDs for warm white and bright white. One thing to keep in mind when purchasing a power supply is that it matches the voltage of the strips and provides enough amps. In this case, we have a 12-volt strip. For most of my projects, I have been using this power supply by iBurls. That is the most compact and provides up to 3 amps of power, good for about 5 feet or just under 2 meters of strips. If your project is more involved, you may need to use a larger power supply that can provide up to 10 amps, which is good for a full 5-meter strip. I've found ones by Schnitt Power to work well. The last item you will need is the LED controller. I prefer to control all my smart home lights using my Hubitat controller, and I've had excellent results using the FUT037Z by MiBoxer. It supports Zigbee 3.0 or 2.4 gig Wi-Fi if you wish to not use a Hubitat controller and prefer to just use the provided MiBoxer smartphone app. All items have links in the description below. The wires must be connected to their proper output, which is clearly labeled. One thing to watch out for is not confusing the dark blue for the black wire which powers the strip on the V+ output. The first and only step that is necessary to start Zigbee pairing is to press and hold the set button for 2 seconds until the LED strip begins to blink red. At this point, we're now ready to go to the Hubitat menu and select Devices. Next, select Add Device, choose Zigbee, and start Zigbee pairing. Once the MiBoxer has successfully paired with Hubitat, the strip will flash a few times and turn a bluish-green color. You will want to name your device, which I will just use A for this demonstration, and assign it to my basement. Now select View Device Details, as there are a few more settings that need to be configured within Hubitat. The device type will initially be incomplete. Advanced Zigbee RGBW bulb works perfectly for this controller. Save device to remember these settings and scroll to the top of the screen. The final step is to press Configure to have the Hubitat negotiate with the MiBoxer. As it runs through the configuration process, the lights will change color and you will see the current status update. Once this is done, we can test out the lights and try some different options. I will now set the level to 20% using the selected blue color. I can choose the color palette and set the color to red, or use green. I can then select the white color temperature. You can notice with 2800K that only the warm LED will illuminate. If I choose 3000K, it will use a combination of the two to help produce this color temperature. And when I select 6000K, it will illuminate the bright white LED. I will turn it off again and now show you how to use the aluminum tracks, which are optional but highly recommended. The back of these strips come with a 3M adhesive attached to help hold them securely to any surface, or they fit nicely inside these aluminum tracks. You can see the area on the back of the strip where they can be cut with scissors. Using aluminum tracks help to keep your strips protected and also acts as a heat sink to keep them cool while operating. I will give another demo of the different colors without the attached diffuser cover. You will notice the LEDs can be penetrating and very focused. With the diffuser attached, it helps to spread out the light better and reduce the penetrating look. Here is another look using the black aluminum tracks. If your tracks will ever be visible under a kitchen cabinet, I find these to look much better. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I will be producing many more videos about using other smart home products with Hubitat and also Apple HomeKit, which Hubitat now supports HomeKit in beta, but has been mostly problem-free. If you have not already done so, please subscribe and like our videos, as it really helps us to grow this channel and produce more videos like this. Thank you and have a fantastic day.